So you just got a referral for occupational therapy, and you're thinking to yourself, I know what physical therapy is, and I know what speech therapy is, but why do I need occupational therapy? I don't need a job. I'm here to tell you why you benefit from occupational therapy services. So physical therapy helps you get from point A to point B. But once you get to point B, what do you want to do? Do you want to put on your clothes, brush your hair, put makeup on? Do you want to be able to cook for your loved ones? That's what occupational therapy helps with. OT enables independence in everyday meaningful activities. They value a holistic approach to determine ways to help patients participate in everyday activities that are meaningful to them. Occupational therapy values interviewing the client to determine what those activities may be. A few of those activities may be dressing, bathing, feeding, grooming, cooking, medication management, financial management, driving, leisure pursuits, work tasks, or academic tasks. Maybe you have a hand injury and you just want to be able to garden again. Maybe your son or daughter has autism and they're struggling with behaviors in school, which is really impacting their ability to learn. Occupational therapy can help promote a helpful environment for their learning. Maybe your loved one has dementia and forgets to take their medications. Occupational therapy works to analyze the task and identify performance deficits that may impede their participation in said activity. Occupational therapists can provide adaptive equipment or assistive technology for that support. So maybe you have lower back pain or you just had a hip replacement, and an occupational therapist can provide you a sock aid to help you put your socks on in the morning. Or maybe your loved one had a traumatic brain injury and is having a difficult time adjusting to a routine again. Occupational therapy can provide environmental support such as checklists to help them remain active in their everyday life. Maybe you have a recent diagnosis of multiple sclerosis and you just want to survive the workday without feeling fatigued at the end of the day. Occupational therapy can help you implement energy conservation techniques into your workday so you feel more independent at work. Occupational therapy can work in many areas, those being pediatrics, productive aging, work in industry, rehab and disability, and mental health. Occupational therapy utilizes a client-centered approach to help patients achieve success in everyday life. Occupational therapy values promoting participation for everyday activities that are meaningful to their client. They use a holistic approach to determine what those activities may be and how we can adapt or modify the task to help individuals get back to their everyday life. To independence and beyond, occupational therapy will help you participate in meaningful activities.